Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Lamborghini Huracan. Drifting this powerful supercar requires precision and a deep understanding of its unique characteristics. We'll cover essential steps to safely initiate and control a drift, focusing on technique over raw power. Remember, safety is paramount, so always choose a closed course and ensure your vehicle is in top condition. Let's get started on mastering this exciting skill. Before attempting any drifts, proper preparation is crucial. Find a vast, empty space like a track or a large skid pad, free from obstacles. Check your tire pressure. Slightly overinflating the rear tires can sometimes help. Most importantly, fully disable the electronic stability control and traction control systems. This allows the car's power to be fully utilized for the drift, giving you complete control over its movements. To initiate a drift in your Huracan, approach a corner at a moderate speed, perhaps around 30 to 40 miles per hour. As you enter the turn, give a sharp, quick steering input, then immediately counter-steer in the opposite direction. Simultaneously, apply a burst of throttle to overcome the rear tire's grip. This combination of steering and power will help break traction and get the car sliding sideways, beginning your drift. Once the drift is initiated, the key is to maintain it with a delicate balance of throttle and countersteering. Use the accelerator to control the slide angle and the steering wheel to guide the car's direction. Keep your eyes focused on your exit point, looking through the turn. To exit the drift, smoothly ease off the throttle and gently unwind the steering wheel, allowing the car to regain traction and straighten out. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.